In this video, we're going to take a look at the Unleashed and Xero integration, focusing on how to set up the integration, manage key settings, and avoid common pitfalls so your data flows smoothly between the two systems. First, let's connect Xero with Unleashed. In the left-hand menu, head to Integration, Integration Store, Xero, and switch on the integration by clicking this button here. You'll then need to sign in to your Xero account. Choose the correct organization, and once authorized, your connection is live. Next, review your integration settings. These define how Unleashed and Xero talk to each other. Map your sales, cost of goods sold accounts, and stock on hand accounts. Align your tax rates in Unleashed with those in Xero. The easiest way to do this is to let Unleashed automatically assign them, but you can manually do this here if required. Decide from the following options what Unleashed data exports to Xero, and configure the data by clicking on the Configure button, selecting the options provided. Make the most of the advanced features, such as enabling a customer credit limit, tracking categories, and enabling payment received flag in Unleashed for when an amount has been paid on an invoice in Xero. Once setup is complete, transactions flow automatically. Sales invoices raised in Unleashed pushed through to Xero. Supplier bills are sent when purchase orders are receipted. Credit notes sync back for returns and adjustments. This automation keeps your financials accurate without double entry. To keep everything in sync, regularly export data. Go to Integration, Xero, and Export Data. Here, you can choose from the following transaction tabs that you want to review. Adjust the date period, then click the Reconcile Transactions button. A notification will appear in the top menu bar. This will show when the reconciliation for that transaction type has been completed. Sometimes exports fail, but most issues are simple to fix. For example, for account code errors, check your mappings in Xero. Tax rate mismatches, ensure the same rates exist in both systems. Customer or supplier not found, confirm they're set up in both platforms. Correct the data, re-export, and you're good to go. Now we'll take a look at reports. Two in particular are especially helpful. Transaction Reconciliation Report. This is found in Export Data tab, helpful for keeping Xero aligned. The Stock on Hand Enquiry. Use this for reconciling your inventory balance with the stock on hand account in Xero. This is found in Reports and Inventory. Run these regularly to avoid end-of-month surprises. In this video, you've seen how to set up and connect Unleashed with Xero, manage core integration settings, export and reconcile data, troubleshoot common errors, and use reports to stay accurate. With the right setup, Unleashed and Xero work hand in hand to keep your finances and inventory perfectly aligned. Thanks for watching.